Hey everyone, need to transfer money from Chase to TD Bank? It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First of all, open the Chase mobile app or visit chase.com and log into your account. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section and choose Transfer Money. If you haven't already, add your TD Bank account as a recipient by entering the account and routing numbers. Enter the amount you want to transfer, choose the transfer speed, and confirm the transaction details. Review everything carefully, then hit submit. You will get a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. And that's it. Your money is now on its way from Chase to TD Bank. Easy, right? If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.